Camping isn't just leaving the city, it's bringing home comfort to nature. All starts with the right tent. This tent assembles in minutes, no complicated tools. No fuss, just pure ease for the modern explorer. A shelter that's roomy enough for family moments, yet sleek enough to carry anywhere. Breathable mesh keeps the breeze in, the bugs out. It's not just a tent, it's a stage for memories. Morning picnics, afternoon naps, quiet moments with loved ones. Ready to craft your outdoor story? Link in bio for your perfect shelter.